Hi everyone, here quick video of how to blend a foreground took in the blue during the blue hour and a Milky Way shot uh, all together. This is a file. This is the the actual tree I capture in. Actually, it's not even the blue hour. It's during the sunset, but it doesn't matter. It will do the trick. So it's really easy. First thing that I will do it is open this file as a smart object, press Shift, and uh, there is an option to open it like smart object. Now I will fix the horizon like this, and then I will click on the layer with the right click and make new smart object be a copy. And I will again double click the smart object and we open the camera roll. Now I will desaturate the image. Basically, I will use the light panel and I will try to make the image really contrast. Uh, Sky should be white and the foreground should be black with the tree. Basically, I will create a luminosity mask, custom luminosity mask. So I will decrease the black, I will increase the white, I will increase the contrast, I will decrease the shadow, and I will increase the highlights. And I have perfect, perfectly shaped tree in the contrast with the sky. Now I will open the file in Photoshop. I will click on the layer and I will rasterize the layer. Now I will choose the selection tool and basically we'll paint the selection in black, and using the lasso tool I will make a quick selection and again I will make it black, and the mask is almost done. Now I will use the dodge tool, midtones, exposure 100%. I will increase the size of the brush and I will paint on top of this gray color here in order to make it white. And as you can see, I have a perfect luminosity mask. And now I will go to a channel menu. I will add control and click on the layer. Now I have the sky in selection. I will invert selection with Control Shift I, and then I will go to select modify contract with 1 pixel, and now I will add the selection to my layer, and that's it. Now open I will open the sky image that I took few hours after I managed to capture the foreground, and I will drag the image and I will put it here, and that's it. This is really easy to make a selection, a luminosity mask, so you can blend your foreground with your sky. Of course, I will add more more adjustments to the foreground, like making the foreground darker. I can do that with linear gradient like this. So there is more contrast with the sky. Uh, Maybe make it a little bit lighter, the sky, some curves, and that's it. And if I zoom on 100%, you can see that the selection is pretty good. Hope you're going to like this. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments down below.